something that is temporary. So how do you then survive? You will survive if you are able to take your skills and make sure that for every aspect of your business, you have a good understanding.
Yeah, that was quite a mouthful.
I know.
I mean, it's true. It is 100% true. So, yeah, I mean, can we play these two quickly and then we close?
Alright.
I think the first one was just pretty much about her. She was telling us what women they mean to her, and what was the second question again? Yeah, the second question.
That one.
Who are the women who inspires you? Yeah, yeah.
So here's another one.
I would say women to inspire me. Well, it wouldn't be anyone famous at all. I would pick the women around me. It would be my mom, it would be my grandmother, it would be my friends. You know, they inspire me as women because, you know, they're beating the odds. They're still making through, regardless of the tough stuff that they've gone through. They're still trying to hang in there and make stuff work best as they can. So that's why I say a woman who inspires me is a woman who does the most, you know, with the little that she has. That's an inspiring woman for me. Thank you.
Wow.
I'm not much of a historical person, but the Women's Gate does have some sort of significance to it because, you know, growing up here, you know, everything that has happened back in the day, I think personally, it's just a day where women, you know, besides Mother's Day, women in general, not mothers only, are getting celebrated for what they've done in terms of, you know, where we are in terms of women and the type of freedom that we have as women. So I think that's what Women's Day means to me.
Yeah.
That's amazing.
Yeah, I like quite like the first voice note was a mouthful, and I think each and every one of us took away something from it. I wish we could dissect it more, but we've run out of time. And your final thoughts?
I'll start, Wendy. So, women empowerment, are we there yet? Sadly, we're not, unfortunately. We're not, and we keep on seeing it with the gender gap salaries. We keep on seeing it with the stereotype that women deserve menial jobs. We keep on seeing it every now and then. But I'll say that there's a great deal of strides that has been done. We cannot dismiss that. And I really, really appreciate and embrace every single person who actually did something to make that happen to where we are today. Yeah, that's me. Lovely.
Precious?
With me, I'll conclude by saying that women, we must not be scared to break the barriers. Like, we must step into those industries whereby they say, women, this is not for you. We must conquer things that we are oppressed by men. You understand? So for me, I would say break the barriers. Be that person they say don't be.
I like that.
Yeah.
I like that.
The very baby.
Thank you. No, I think for me, society has kind of programmed women to think A, B, C, and Z. And yeah, that's not the case at all. So I think I'll just like to say that I think it's important that as women, we continue to challenge the status quo.
Yeah.
We continue to challenge these people who have convinced themselves that they are the gatekeepers of either beauty, industries, whatever the case may be, that we are more than all of that.
Yes.
For another dude.
Hello. Of industries. Yes.
Yeah.
So people think they're the gatekeepers of these things, and really they are not. So yeah, women continue, you know.
Aluta.
Continue.
Thank you guys for your contributions. Thank you for availing yourselves today. And yeah, for me, I don't know. You guys have pretty much said everything. And yeah, that's just it. I want us to continue to break barriers and and realize that we are much more than what the next person says we are.
Yeah.
You know? And yeah, that's pretty much it. We'll catch us again next week, guys. 2 p.m. We will bring another thought-provoking conversation. Yeah. And yeah, be great, do good.